Today I thought I'd come home this way. This is not a route I usually take to go home. I just wanted to see how much it's changed. I normally go another way. I'm not sure if it takes longer to go the other way or if it takes longer to get this way. As you can see, there's a lot of overgrowth, bushes, hedges, weeds. But these are train tracks. And before, the train used to come this way. I remember before the pandemic, the train came this way. But now it doesn't. So I live there. See the buildings. I live in the one on the left. So I come this way to see how much it has changed. And as you can see, the tracks are almost covered with overgrowth. I think it's safe to go this way now because the trains don't use this path. And it's much quieter. The other way has too much traffic. Those guys, they collect all types of stuff that you don't use in the house anymore, like refrigerators, microwaves, washing machines, even a toaster. It's like a small recycling business. I don't like talking when there's people there. They always wonder, what's the foreigner talking about? Is he planning on taking over China? I don't think so. This country's bigger than me. But here we cross a railway bridge. Or we just call it the bridge now because there's no trains coming here. And the remnants of snow. Stopped snowing now. It stopped snowing for about a week, so I think we're done with the snow. And another recycling company. They make a lot of money here. You know, it's a big business, recycling. It's hard work, and you have to go around lots of communities to collect whatever people don't want. You pay them a small sum, and then you bring it to the recycling company, and they pay you according to weight or material. Cardboard and plastic seems to be popular. A lot of old people are scouring the bins, the local bins in the community, and they take out of the bins what they think is valuable. Cardboard, bottles, anything that can make money. It's not much money. You can collect a lot of stuff and make very little money, but for them it's like free money. They just have to get their hands dirty to make this money. And it seems to be a lucrative business in the recycling company business because they collect off the people who take from the bins. They give them some small money, then they bring it to the recycling company in bulk, and they make big money. I have no idea how much, but you're not going to get rich fast. Although I think most of these rag and bone men, as we'd call them, probably make more money than me. You don't get much money when you're a teacher. You think it's much, but it's not. But I think the job is more, how can I say, satisfactory. For me, anyway. I like doing what I do. I suppose you have to probably like students to do my kind of job. Now getting across here is like running the gauntlet. Cars won't stop even though there's zebra crossings. They may slow down, but they will not stop. There's a guy with a nice Mercedes. Where's my Mercedes? Your local police car could do with a lick of paint. And this is the community I live in. And here is a police station. Over here, there's a school over there. It's a popular school, they say. It's supposed to be a good school. And you have to live in the community to attend that school. Some people buy property so they can go to that school. Hello! 早上好. I just said good morning to her. She'll probably surprise me. Foreigners speaking Chinese. Conspiracy. So I'm gonna turn in here now. Nice cake shop. I like cake. Here's a housing agency. And this is my community. And that's my building. Not this one. This one. And here's a school. Many schools, different schools for different subjects. And this is the entrance to my building. And this is the community I live in. Guy throwing out his rubbish. That'll be searched for very soon. And this is my community here. Actually, it's the building I go into. It's not mine. I own nothing over here. You'll own nothing and be happy. Claude Schwab. Music shop. Small grocery store. And their delivery service, you go in there and collect packages you've ordered. I'm going to the elevator. I have to go this way. I'm trying to get my key ready. You have to use a fob to access the computer, access the elevators. A fob key, like this. And here are the elevators. And they're not on the floor I want to go to. One is going up, the other one's coming down. Anyway, it'll be a while before that comes. Chat with you later.